Второй класс. Английский язык. Волшебный остров. Домашнее задание. Страница 106-107. English. Spotlight 2. A Magic Island. Homework page 106, 107. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 106. 106. Exercise number 1. Listen and repeat. Flowers, music, summer, winter, autumn, spring. Repeat once more, please. Еще раз повторяем. Flowers, music, summer, winter, autumn, spring. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Sing the song. Спой песенку. We are on our summer holiday. We are having lots of fun. We're on our summer holiday. We're playing in the sun. We love summer. We love the sun. We love summer. It's lots and lots of fun. We're on our summer holiday. We're playing in the sea. We're on our summer holiday. We're happy as can be. Repeat exercise number 2 once more, please. Еще раз повторим. We're on our summer holiday. We're having lots of fun. We're on our summer holiday. We're playing in the sun. We love summer. We love the sun. We love summer. It's lots and lots of fun. We're on our summer holiday. We're playing in the sea. We're on our summer holiday. We're happy as can be. Boys and girls, do exercise number 3, page number 107. 107. Listen and repeat. Wow, this is a magic island. Look at the trees. Look at the flowers. What's that? It's music, of course. Let's go and see. Aloha, welcome. A party great. Let's dance. We're on our summer holiday. We're having lots of fun. We're on our summer holiday. We're playing in the sun. Boys and girls, repeat exercise number 3 once more. Прочитаем еще раз. Wow, this is a magic island. Look at the trees. Look at the flowers. What's that? It's music, of course. Let's go and see. Aloha, welcome. A party great. Let's dance. We're on our summer holiday. We're having lots of fun. We're on our summer holiday. We're playing in the sun. My dear friends, do exercise number 4. Прочитай диалог еще раз и вставь пропущенное слово. Larry and Lulu are on their summer holiday. Boys and girls, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. I fly so blue in the sky. Even my name is so clear. Butterfly, lower the trees, many places to rest. My wings are open and I am the best. Wonderful dance, look at me once, and don't forget, climb in the bed. Wonderful dance.